Alright guys, this is going to be a very important video if you have one of the brands I'm going to mention. Simple Mobile under Verizon, Toro by Verizon, Net10 under Verizon, and Straight Talk and tracfone. If you use currently those brands and you have Verizon towers in your phone service, then you need to watch this video because a lot of people will be affected with no internet service in the phone. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through, tell you exactly what you need to do to have no interruption for your internet. And this is Variety Stick 2. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up to encourage me, and let's find out. Quick disclaimer before we start. If you currently use iPhone, you're not gonna be affected, you should be fine. Second disclaimer. If you currently have phone and your phone is working and you don't have internet interruption, don't watch this video. This video made specifically for people have phone service. They are able to make phone calls and receive text messages, but they cannot use the internet. Now what you guys see right now, Samsung phone active under Simple Mobile Verizon. I just activated this phone. I want to make this video so that way I can guide you in case if you do the activation by yourself over the phone or online. So you need to update the APN settings. Now let me show you. This phone has bars right there and the phone has service. Now if I make phone call, the phone will go through, but I can't browse the internet because there is no LTE or 5G show on the top of the phone. Now if we go to Chrome here and trying to browse the internet, because I do not have Wi-Fi and I don't have service for the internet, so I need to do some changes for the APN settings on the phone, which is I'll walk you through. And by the way, I have already made a video explain step by step what you need to do if you lose the internet in your device. But this video, because Verizon has updated the APN settings. They used to have certain APN settings before Verizon took over. They have changed the APN settings. And again, if you have no problems, don't play with the phone settings. First thing you need to do, go to settings and then go to connection. And then you will see mobile network. Most likely with every Android phone you will be able to go to the same steps I'm explaining right now for you. And then access point name. Access point name, go ahead and tap here. It will be most likely you will be defaulted with this APN, which is this used to be working, but now it's not gonna work. Tracfone.vzwentp, it's not the APN settings you need to use. Then what we need to use, go ahead and tap on the same APN settings here and go to APN, and that's gonna be the only thing you will be able to change. So go here and delete the whole APN settings from your phone. I would say just make it capital. If you don't make it capital, it's not that big of a deal. And then you need to type the following: VZW Internet. There you go. So make sure, spell it right, hit OK, go to the three dots on the top and tap save, and make sure you select the new APN settings. Now wait a few seconds and you will be able to see the LTE, maybe 5G in your phone. It should be shown on the phone. Now if we're gonna go ahead, go to Chrome and trying to browse the internet, it must work because we have the right APN settings. Now some phones might take the APN settings automatically, but as so many phones are affected, they're not gonna take this APN setting. And also let me tell you another thing. If you make a software update, there is a chance that the phone will go back to the old APN settings. Just do the same steps again and I believe you should be good to go. And I wish you guys find this video helpful to help you to fix the internet problem. And if you'd like to see more troubleshooting for the internet, watch the video in the link on the description. It will give you more details and information about how to fix the internet if you own one of the tracfone brands under Verizon towers. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we will talk to you in the next video.